Yeah, and that's exactly what Iowa State Patrol called it, a nightmare, especially on this stretch of I-80 from the Jordan Creek exit all the way west to Avoca. And now we've seen those impassable road conditions actually expanding across central Iowa. So Highway 44 west of Dallas Center, that's now included in it. And I-35 from up near Ames to down near Elkhart, that's impassable as well. So traveling along I-80, I-35, your major highways, you're not going to be able to, and this is why. This is what we're seeing on those roads out there right now. Multiple vehicle crashes. We have several fire engines on site, several emergency vehicles trying to address all of these crashes along I-80s. Right now, those emergency vehicles and those plows are the only vehicles that are allowed on I-80 in that impassable section. Right now, we do have 16 crashes total reported. A lot of those, again, along I-80, Stewart and Waukee. I-35, we have a crash up in Huxley. Dallas Center, we have a crash. US 65 in Bondurant, we have a crash. So basically what's the takeaway from all of this is to not be on the roads if you don't have to. And if you are on the roads, you have to take it incredibly slow. Keep an eye out for those emergency vehicles and keep an eye out for those snow plows.